Congratulations, you just found your new favorite sandwich channel, and I'm on a mission to make the best fried chicken sandwich.
This time I'm doing a banh mi inspired fried chicken, and I said inspired, so don't get mad at me if I forgot a few traditional ingredients like liver pate or jalapenos. But I did put on pickled carrots and daikon, and I gotta ask, is it supposed to smell really bad? Because I swear every time I make pickled daikon, it smells like death in my house. Maybe it's the vinegar, maybe it's the daikon, I don't know. It smells super bad. But the taste of this one was out of this world. I gotta give this one a 9.1.
This is the best one yet.
What should I put on my next fried chicken sandwich?